Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to import agents and groups info into BoldDesk. I will show you the permissions required to import data, how to import data, view imported data details, and filter imported files. The import data feature allows the quick and efficient creation of multiple agents and groups in bulk. This saves time and effort by streamlining the process, eliminating the need to enter data manually for every record. In BoldDesk, users can import agents and groups based on permissions assigned to their roles. To learn more about how to manage roles and permissions in BoldDesk, follow the documentation link in this video's description. By default, the account owner and support administrator roles have the Manage Import permission enabled. Users with Support Manager or Agent roles do not have this permission. However, you can create custom roles and enable the Manage Imports permission under the Admin Module permission configuration. Now, let me show you how to import agents or groups in BoldDesk. First, I log into the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator. The data import process can be initiated from two locations, from the Admin Center using the Import Data module or directly from the Agents or Groups module in the Users and Permissions section, using the Import option on the Groups or Agents listing page. When I click the Import option, a page opens. Select either Agents or Groups from the drop-down menu in the Modules section. Then, I choose the preferred way to handle duplicate records. You can choose to skip or overwrite them. Next, I browse for the file. There is an option to download a sample file, which serves as a guide for identifying the columns used in BoldDesk for agents or groups. I click the Next button to map the columns from the source file to the corresponding fields for agents and groups in BoldDesk. If the column from the source file aligns with the fields for BoldDesk's agents or groups, field mapping will be completed automatically. If the ticket access scope, brands, and roles are not mapped, then default values for restricted, all brand access, and agent will be applied, respectively. This applies exclusively to agent imports. Once the mapping is completed, click Next to show a summary of the column mapping. Then, I click the Import button. The request will be queued, and I will receive an email notification when the import is complete. You can cancel the import process by clicking the Cancel Import option, which is available when the import is running or has not yet started. When the data import process is complete, a log of the imported files will be recorded in the Import Histories section. Consider the following aspects when importing data. The maximum supported file size is 5 MB, which should not exceed 5,000 records. The supported file formats are XLS, XLSX, and .csv. Groups, brands, and roles can be separated by using two-pipe characters. Next, let me show you how to view the file import details. To view the import report, I open the Import Data module and navigate to the Import History tab. Here, all the imported files are listed. Click the View Details button next to the imported file. A page opens, displaying the import details categorized by status. Under the All tab, you'll find all records within the file. Added lists newly added records, updated displays all the records that were modified, skipped shows records not imported due to duplication, and failed lists records not imported due to invalid values. You can track the reasons for import failure and download failed records to update and re-import. You can also import custom fields along with the agents and groups. Finally, let's see how to filter and visualize data in the Import Data module. Within the Import History section, you can filter imported files by dates. Using the date filter, you can view data within predefined or custom date ranges. Additionally, you can search for imported files by name and filter them by module type. You can also filter files based on their import status. After selecting the desired filter criteria, click Apply to display the data. In summary, I demonstrated the permissions required to import agents and their groups in BoldDesk. I also showed how to import them, view import details, and filter the imported files. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.